Flight of the Gibbon Zipline is located at Mae Kampong village, and a 1/2 hours drive east of Chiang Mai. Over the years it has been temporarily closed a couple of times. It has 33 platforms, 18 zip lines, 3 sky bridges, 3 nature walks, 2 staircases, 2 abseils and 1 tree house. Flight of the Gibbon also boasts an 800-meter-long zipline as well as a roller coaster zipline. The tree canopies can be as high as 70 meters above the ground. The adventure will take about 3 hours up the stunning treetops as well as lunch in a nice hut overlooking the valley. You can also wander around the river or waterfall trek. If you are lucky, you get a glimpse of a few gibbons. There are viewing platforms, exciting sky bridges and lowering stations connecting over 5 kilometers stretch of ziplining. You will be driven from the base office to one of the Mae Kampong hills, which is about 1,300 meters above sea level to the zipline location. This is where and when the thrill begins, you get the feel of the adrenaline rush. Watch out for slippery slope while climbing up to the next ziplining through the 1,500-year-old rainforest with a breathtaking sight. The path can get wet and treacherous as well as feeling tired after so many ziplining. The sheer joy and fear can be seen on the faces of my niece and her newlywed husband together with my friends in the entourage. Pay extra attention when the coach briefs the safety instruction at the beginning of the roller coaster zipline. Holding the bars during the roller coaster ziplining feels endless as you are advised against letting go of your hand. It felt like a rude awakening during the many turns of the ride. For those who has fears of height like me, the ending of the zipline journey where you will glide down the 70 meters tree will scare the bejesus out of you. It took me a while to have the guts. I just look up and not looking down. Note that no stabilization was used to recreate this video as it will do in just the motions while ziplining. The filming of this video uses only GoPro stabilization. No chest belt was used to hold the camera because you will not get the selfie. Using handheld selfie stick would fits the purpose, however it needs to be secured especially while filming on the roller coaster ziplining. You don't want your camera or handphone drop into the ravine below. At the end of it all, it was pure fun with a thrill factor. Remember, you cannot stop and quit during the courses of the track. You need to complete the entire course.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, so that I can continue making more video contents like this.
My boss! Rollercoaster. Yes. Rollercoaster. Wow, gila. One, two, three. Okay. Yes, how you go? One thing. All like this and lean back. Yeah, like this. Okay. Swing your leg, something like this. Okay. When you can turn around it in the free, don't scary. Don't hold like this. Why? This is the one that has for you, so hurt. You can lean back like this. Okay, and swing. Just relax. Just take a relax. Yes, good. Right. Relax. Okay, relax. And please don't free your hand.
Oh. Don't free your hand.
Yeah. Why you can free hand? Sometimes when you go fast do the swing something, they can have something, they can already do this one. Okay? And one more thing, sometimes you can stuck in the middle and stop in the middle. Twist your hand, try to hold the bar. Like this.
Okay.
Up. Go in the front, don't come here. Go in the front, okay? Second, a little bit. Pass. Like this, easy. Yes. Okay?
Tak duka tak free lah kan. One, two, three, go!
Thank you. Một chân kìa. Bùi dao ba. Yes.
So I hold here.
Yeah. My boss, sit down. Don't worry, my boss. I love you.
Patut itu, patut dia tunggu. Mi, keluar. Mi mana bawa ni? Engkau hangat lah. Slow macam orang gila tu. Siapa? Nazmi. Tapi di belah atas tu panik. Lepas tu dia tu tak ada benda pun. Boleh lah. Offside dah. Wow.